Welcome to Bite-Sized Brain Science. Hi, my name is Dr. Ben Webb. Today we're going to learn about the most complex organ in the human body, the brain. Dr. James Watson, who discovered DNA, suggested that the brain is the most complex thing that we've ever discovered in the universe. I tend to agree. The brain does everything. It controls our emotions, our memories, our movements, even our personality, all of our experiences in the world. Inside our head, we have about 100 billion neurons. That's almost as many neurons as we have stars in our universe. Each neuron is connected to thousands of other neurons, making up about 1 trillion neural connections that form the brain circuits inside our head. In fact, if you laid out all of the neurons next to each other, you could wrap them around the globe 2 times. The nervous system has evolved over millions of years. It's evolved from much simpler species like jellyfish, which have a much simpler nervous system. The nervous system controls and influences all other systems in our body. Our breathing, our heart rate, and even the way our immune system responds to viruses and bacteria. And in turn, the body influences the function of the nervous system. The incredible power and strength and interconnectedness of the brain is also an actual weakness. So much interconnectedness makes it susceptible to breaking. And from stroke, Alzheimer's disease to depression and anxiety, it is estimated that 1 in 4 people will suffer some kind of neurological or psychiatric disease. And the key to curing these diseases is unraveling the mysteries of the brain and the nervous system.